again. My dear lizards, geckos, you shouldn't go into that cup, and I shouldn't leave it probably on the table, but I'll free you again and make a video. Come, let's get out there. It's really boring for you, I know. Your fingers are not gripping nothing on that metal. Nature has not foreseen this event. Get out there. It's really boring in there. There's nothing to eat except the sugar of the tea with the milk inside. Seems something like a bar for you. You come there to drink, huh? Ah, there are some ants. Maybe you like these in the meantime. Come. Okay, I'll leave the cup like this. We shut down the light because maybe you're also disturbed by the light. And I make a close-up of you for our YouTube visitors. They like to see geckos with the skin like yours. Maybe. With the artificial light we can get some nice close-ups of your skin colors. So that's a camouflaged version, and then we have behind there the less camouflaged version, which has in between no color and a little bit. Apparently they prefer to stay still a little bit longer in this cup. I wonder if this one is not already on the other video. They're like unable to realize that these cups are getting a trap for them, but okay, I release them all the time. What are these funny? This is maybe sugar. Okay, so if you see these brown dots, that's sugar, brown sugar, and the liquid is Ceylon tea. And the small geckos definitely are attracted by this mixture. And if I leave a cup like this on the table, I'm now already used to make sure that I first look in my cup before I do anything with it. Because these little geckos are climbing inside. So, this time I cannot show you how they run out because they seem to be somehow hypnotized by something. Maybe it's also the strong LED light of this camera.